If dinner time feels chaotic and stressful, this bacon cheeseburger pasta is my secret weapon, and it's about to be yours. When everyone's hungry and emotions are high, the last thing you want is a battle over dinner. This fuss-free meal is picky eater approved and brings calm back to the table. Let me show you how to make it. We'll start easy. Throw the bacon in the oven and cook for 10 minutes. Now generously salt your pasta water. No bland pasta allowed. It's time to brown the ground beef. I season it right here so every bite is packed with flavor. This is the good part. Add the bacon and dinner just got a whole lot easier. Flour time. This is where the plot thickens. Our water is boiling, so go ahead and add the pasta. Back to the beef, add milk and heavy cream. Another quick seasoning pass to keep the flavor going. Add the drained diced tomatoes and shredded cheese. Dinner is coming together. Pour in the pasta, and just like that, dinner is handled. This is one of those recipes that doesn't just taste good, it helps take the pressure off. No overthinking, no complicated steps, just a solid dinner you can count on when everyone's hungry and time is tight. If you're looking for more meals like this that help calm the chaos a little bit, you're more than welcome to come back whenever you need a dinner win. Until next time, you've got this.